Hello my acquaintances, today I'm going to be showing you how I made this spooky mask. You can also make this kind, but I like the way that these ones fit better. They're more comfortable to wear, but it's not really that huge of a difference. This isn't really the video that I wanted to make today. I wanted to continue the Make of a Costume series, but I have a convention tomorrow till Sunday, so I don't really have time to do another costume on top of that. So I hope you guys, I hope it helped. Yep, good. Alright, first thing you want to do is get your materials, get a bunch of spooky fabric, some spooky interfacing, but regular interfacing will work. Scissors, I have 2 pairs because one's for fabric and one's for the paper, the interfacing, and some elastic and a solid to go on the back of this fabric, and you'll also need a pattern. Well, you don't need a pattern, you can freehand it. This pattern I just made combining 2 mask patterns I had from like 2 masks. I just traced like the shape of one and like the length of the other one, and you just trace that front and back on to the fabric interfacing and this inner fabric, and you just iron the fabric, you iron, and then you iron the fabric to the fabric using the interfacing. You also want to make sure you leave some seam allowance on this so that you can sew the edge around. Also, use some fray check. This is optional, but it just helps make your life easier. You can use a lighter, but I like to use fray check. And then you let that sit while you're cutting out the other material. And it's pretty much that easy. Also, you may notice that I'm working on a ironing board and the office side of my desk instead of my work side of the table because there's a resin commission curing on that side, so I can't move that. And I know I'm a big advocate for separating like your spaces into like work, office, and relaxing areas to have a strong work-life balance, and I kind of feel bad that I'm not demonstrating that here. I know if you're like new to this channel, this doesn't make sense to you and doesn't matter, but yeah, it's kind of a time right now. then after everything is ironed together, you can sew up each side and then sew the two middles together and then sew on the elastic. You want to sew the right sides facing together, and that's it.